This is just a quick introduction to the outliner. The outliner, which you can go to Windows and Outliner, is a really useful little window. And what that does is, I'm just going to delete these things here. Normally, default when you open a scene, if we go to File and New Scene, when it does eventually do it, in our outliner, all we'll have is the default light set, default object set, and our different cameras, and this is regarded as an empty scene. Every time we create an object, it will add it to the outliner. Now, if I want to rename an object, there's a number of ways I can do it. I can click on here, and I can rename through there, and you'll see the name pops up in there. I can double click in here and rename again, just by double clicking, putting in some letters there, and then pressing enter, and that will also rename. So if you lose something, and let's say you hide it, which is Control H, you'll notice that it's grayed out, and these are grayed out as well because the default cameras are always hidden. If I want it to come back, I just press Shift and H, and it'll come back. So often, if you're wondering where things have gone, and if something has disappeared, then check in the outliner, and it'll be shown in there. And that is the main purpose of the outliner, and there's various different functions that I can go into, but that's the main thing the outliner is good for. You can do things like also checking how hierarchies are working and stuff like that, but for now just use the outliner for keeping track of your objects. Remember, if you're going to hide stuff, it's Control H, and if you want it to be revealed, just select it and press Shift and H, and it'll come back. And that's available in Windows and Outliner.